Hey everyone, and welcome back. Is your Calendly confirmation email looking a little plain? In this video, I'll show you how to personalize it to make a great first impression. First, log into your Calendly account and select the event type you want to edit. On the Event Setup page, navigate to the Notifications tab. Here, you'll see all the different emails that get sent, like the invitee confirmation email. Click Edit on that one. This is where the magic happens. You can now customize the subject line to be more engaging and rewrite the email body to sound like you. Make it warm and helpful. You can thank them for booking, confirm the meeting details, and even include a link to a pre-call questionnaire or helpful resource. You can also use personalization fields to automatically insert their name or the meeting time, which makes the email feel
more friendly.
Once you're happy with your new professional email template, hit save, and that's it. Now, every time someone books with you, they'll get a personalized confirmation that builds trust and excitement for your call. If you create a cool email template, let me know what you added in the comments. See you in the next one.